from the Pride of America. So unfortunately, we are going to be disembarking the ship today. I am so sad. It was a lovely 7 days sailing around the Hawaiian Islands, and now it's time to go home. So we will be disembarking the ship momentarily, and then we are heading to the Moana Surfrider by Westin Hotels. We are going to be staying there for just the day. We do have a hospitality suite that we are being hosted in there. So we do get a little bit more time here in Honolulu before our flight tonight with Air Canada at around 10:30 at night. So let's get the day going and unfortunately leave the ship. We ate our final breakfast on board Norwegian Cruise Line's Pride of America at the Aloha Cafe, which again is the buffet on board the ship. After breakfast, we finished packing and left our balcony stateroom at around 8:30 a.m. so our room steward could start changing the room over for the next passengers. We did scan off the ship and boarded our coach that took us to the Moana Surfrider, a Westin Resort on Waikiki Beach. As it was a Saturday, we drove by the popular Kaka'ako Farmers Market in Honolulu. If you are visiting Honolulu on a weekend, there are several markets you can check out, and Kaka'ako is one that comes highly recommended. We arrived at the Moana Surfrider, a Westin Resort and Spa, which is known as the First Lady of Waikiki, as this was the very first hotel that opened on Waikiki Beach in 1901. We had a lovely hospitality suite, which is actually the elite lounge at the hotel for Marriott Bonvoy guests. However, due to the pandemic, this lounge is closed and was being used for groups such as ours. We had amazing direct access to the pool and beach areas of the hotel. We were also provided with some beach chairs and towels, and we enjoyed some time relaxing on Waikiki Beach. I was also able to do a site inspection of some of the rooms here at the Westin Moana Surfrider. also had the opportunity to peek inside the Moana Lani Spa, a heavenly spa by Westin, and take a peek at the thermal suite. After walking around the resort, it was time to relax again and enjoy the pool and sunshine for the rest of the evening until our flight home. Hi friends, so I really wanted to just do a really quick recap on my cruise with Norwegian Cruise Line's Pride of America. I had an amazing time on this cruise, and I will say that I am so grateful to Norwegian Cruise Lines for inviting me on this hosted adventure. I will say that, and I truly did enjoy the aspect of arriving into Honolulu, having a couple nights there, and then moving on to actually all the different Hawaiian islands. This again was my first time to Maui and Kauai, so it was a great tester cruise. I will say that. I will say that they are having some current growing pains, as everybody does returning to service. Unfortunately, there is a bit of at the time of my sailing, they are having problems with hiring crew. It is a problem basically worldwide right now in the travel industry, so I am well aware of it. However, I did hear other passengers kind of make a few comments, as some of the bars, usually there was only one bar open on the entire ship at a time, and sometimes there would be a little bit of a line. That being said, the line wasn't too long. I think the longest I had to wait was about 10 minutes for a drink, which to some people that's way too long. To me, I'm a little bit more understanding because I personally work in the industry and I understand what the cruise lines have had to go through to get people back on their ships. So I'm just very appreciative that cruising is back. And yes, there are some definite growing pains right now with the Pride of America. However, I do believe by this next winter season, so hopefully by September, October, that it will be a fully staffed ship and everything will be back up and running. So I really hope you enjoyed my video series. I'm actually going to give you a preview. As you can see, I'm actually on my next cruise. So I'm on the Holland America Koningsdam. I am sailing to Alaska, so that is going to be my next video series. I am so excited to take you guys along with me. And then I get home on June 4th. Which is a Saturday. On Sunday, June 5th, I then fly to Amsterdam to do a river cruise with Avalon Waterways. So there is a lot of travel coming up and a lot of videos. So I really hope you enjoyed this series on Hawaii and the Pride of America. And if you do have any questions about the cruise, or if you're looking to book the Pride of America or any other cruise, be sure to hit that link in the description box below. I'd love to work with you as your travel advisor if you don't have one already, and help you book your next cruise vacation. So thank you again so much for watching. Be sure to like this video and also hit that subscribe button down below. I can't wait to show you what the Holland America Koningsdam and what Alaska is going to be like. I'm super excited. So thank you again so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!